This video is about the Monoprice mini resin printer, and as you can see here, when you get it, it has a bunch of these sticky things that go around here to keep things in place, and around up there. Very easy to remove. You just cut them and move them out of place. But there's this part here, and this is styrofoam, and you can't just pull it out, so I don't know how to do that, and we're going to give it a try here by using the options. Let's see, maybe it's under control. Move the axis sounds about right. There we go. So if you press on the top button, it goes up. Let's go up so you guys can see. And hopefully that will solve the issue of trying to take that off. I know that there's magnets here, so this will come off. But oh boy. Yeah, so that comes off like that. And hopefully that means that I'll be able to take that off easily now. Alright, hope this video helps you guys, and I will see you in the next one.